Hey guys, going to pick up a square body next. Check it out. As I mentioned, guys, I got a haul something home for one of my friends. He didn't have a trailer and stuff, so he's paying me a little bit to go get it. I'm a cheap date now. I'm not charging him really anything more than my gas and enough to get me dinner. But he's also buying these tires off the Buick that I'm not going to use no more to put on it. What he's getting is a square body. I know nothing about it, but he needs me to tow it, so I'm going to go help him out, bring you along the way. So let's head on to meet Dobbs, and then we'll head on over into Floyd County and pick up this truck he's bought. So follow along with me. Alright guys, got to make a pit stop here at the Murphy from Walmart. Wait on Dobbs to get here. Jump in the truck. We'll head on. Gonna sit here. I got here a little early. I had to run to Jackson, take Andy to his girlfriend's this morning. So got a few minutes to kill. I'm gonna go in over here and use the restroom and sit here and just chill till he gets here. So we'll be back on the road in just a bit. it's 85, 86, right?
86.
305, 2-barrel,
Yep.
turbo 350. How long did you say it's been off the road?
He said 8 years.
8 years. It says 05 on the tag over there. Yeah. Pretty solid old truck. Really like the paint scheme they had on it. I like the paint scheme they got on it there, Dobbs. Alright guys, Dobbs has got his truck, he's out of mine, and we're following him over to Buckhorn where he lives. We're gonna unload this big GMC here. It's a pretty sharp little old GMC. I wouldn't care to have it myself, but I've got too many, so gotta get rid of some stuff before I get something else. Look real hard and you can see Average Bow Garage. Well, we got Dobbs' truck unloaded. He seemed to be real happy with it. Glad I could help him out. Made a few bucks on the back end of it too. And he also bought those tires off the Buick, the old ones, put on it. So that's good too. But we got it unloaded. I hope y'all enjoyed the video here. A little footage of us going to get it. We're going to have some more out this week too. We're going to be filming some more probably today, but probably be out next week or so. But we're back in action here. We're back getting videos out. I'm up to 332 a while ago. I appreciate everybody's subscribing. It's getting big, it's growing, and if you just keep doing that, we can get this channel up here where we can actually become something with it. Hopefully this week tomorrow we may hopefully we will be getting El Camino running probably in the next video or the video after. I've got to get Dad done too, the bearings and stuff put in his car, so we can take it to summer nights. I think that's what the plan is. But like I said, 332 subscribers and we are growing, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and rig something up, just like my friend's doing.